All right, today we are out in the BMW M2 and we are on a skid pad out here at the BMW driving school. Pretty good time.
Okay, gentlemen, for 4 laps on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go.
We're doing a race around the skid pad, trying to get ahead of each other. NASCAR style. Chris versus Charlie from Daily Motor. Taking the inside line. Trying to find the dry line here. All right, we got it.
Okay, both cars on course.
I think we got him. That was cool. Not used to doing grip on a skid pad. Gotta manage understeer.
Do you think it's faster to drift or stay?
I think it's faster just to stay inside line, find that dry pavement. Yep. All right, we're gonna do this one more time, except we're gonna drift instead of go for maximum grip. Should be a fun time. All right, we're gonna turn our wipers on.
Car number 2. We got Charlie representing the blue. Car number 4, gentlemen, for 4 laps.
It's on. Drift race.
Exchange hands over here in the gallery, betting on their favorite drivers. Count of 3 for 4 laps. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go.
All right. First gear into second. Two spins for Charlie.
Okay, go Chris, go. Green, green, green. Go Chris, go.
Let's get some more angle here. Well,
The fans loved that last race.
that was a lot of fun.
Display for both these drivers.
That's the best part about the BMW driving school, is they let you have a bit of fun. Let's see what our M Drift analyzer said.
If you're trying to power slide, even if you're not trying to power slide, the key is vision, vision.
So we had a minute 13.4 long drift, 30.5 angles, 1100 yards, 5 stars on the M Drift analyzer. Nice. That was awesome. That was really, really fun. Good races, Charlie. All right, we're gonna go one more time. Why not?
Car 5, you'll stop right there. Car 1, you'll come back over here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got Chris on the far side. Car 5's on the near side. For 4 laps on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. Both these drivers waste no time. Longsy then twos off the starting line. After 1 lap, we've got Chris in the white. And 2 jumping to lead. And once again, he's putting on that car control display. The fans over here love it. Chris in car 2. We got the dead heat, Chris is drifting as cool as the girls at Dairy Queen, but it's not the fast way around there. We got 1 lap to go, 1 lap. Back to dead heat, the dead heat. This race is too close to call. Coming right down to the end. The flagger's got the checker flag in his hand. A half lap to go. Who's it going to be? Reaching for the checker flag is going to be. Oh, the blue car 5 takes the win. First car 5 come up first. Chris, then first, Chris. Chris, it's all yours, man.
Cool.
Keep going, Chris. Keep going, Chris. You're by yourself. Have some fun, man.
Keep it going.
See if you threw it to 3rd gear. Try 3rd gear. Need more struggle.
3rd gear, here we go. Getting a good angle here. Let's get it right on the edge.
Chris, moving to the outside yellow line. Right. Let it drift out there. And now bring it back into the inside line. Yeah, baby.
There we go.
And I'll get you a little bit more water in it.
All right. Cool. M2 is a drift champ. That's a lot of fun. Wow. What a car. Good race. See how hot the rear tires are. Not too bad. No heat from the brakes. That's good. That means off is off. Nice thing about the 8-speed auto is that you can change gear mid-drift. just at about full lock. It's so controllable. Whoop. All right, we're gonna do one more drift run here against Charlie. And except halfway through, we are going to switch directions. Get it, Charlie.
Okay, great. So.
Into third. That's full lock right there. Switch directions. Nice. Charlie's doing a little bit better.
Keep going. We'll do one more lap.
Can we change directions?
Make a U-turn.
All right.
Make a U-turn. Okay, green.
All right, off we go. Charlie's gotten way better at drifting today. He was spinning out all morning. He's holding it strong.
Red flag.
Cool.
Coming off course.
All right.
Okay, Gabriel.
I love this M2. I think 8-speed auto is kind of the way to go. The manual is very good, but oh, the 8-speed is so much more performance. It's a really good gearbox too. That was a good one. Yeah, there you go. You, sir, have made leaps and bounds of improvement today.
Your advice was helpful.
Good,
Yeah.
good. I'm glad that helped. And you just need seat time. You just need to get
Some
behind
of
the
it's seat
wheel
time.
and figure it out and
Yeah.
find that balance point. And then once you do, you can go all day.
The most useful thing you said was getting up near the max adhesion.
Yep.
And then allowing it to brake, so you're not making as violent of a
Yeah.
jerk to start the drift.
Yes.
It's more of a subtlety of just like,
Yep.
and then you can carry it.
What was that noise again? Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Also, the 1-2 shift, like first gear, second gear, and use that as your initiation point. That's a little bit easier with these cars too. But
It's smooth out there, man.
yeah.
This is way harder than I expected it to be. It's so much easier on, like, I've done other skid pads.
Like polished concrete ones.
Yeah, or like even they've got like load leveling things that'll like lift the weight off the rear wheels.
Oh yeah,
It's
that's
just
right.
like too much traction for me. That's
There's a
more
lot-
traction than I'm used to.
A lot more grip here, yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
the grip really threw me off. Or even like, we do figure 8 testing and I'll get cars loose and I can hold that just fine, but you're also like, you know, 30, 40 miles an hour and that's
Sure.
really easy, but like,
This is a lot of fun.
yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Hey guys, they're about to throw the checker flag. Would y'all mind driving these cars up for us?
Sure, absolutely. Let's do it.
Okay, we can just follow us.
Yeah. All right, well, there you guys go. Some more drifting in the M2. It's been a fun day. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.